Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do workouts on the period calendar application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, type in your password, and after that, you should tap on the self-care button down below, which is the fourth option. Click on Discover, and after that, scroll down till you find the 7-minute workout sessions section, and here you can find a bunch of exercises. This is a classic workout, ab workout, butt workout, leg and loose arm fat workout. So tap on the one that you find interesting and click on this play button. Here you can see the exercises that this workout contains, and if you are ready to start, you can click on the start button.
Start with 30
Here you can
seconds. Jumping
select
jacks.
music and the voice guide, whether you would like a voice guide to give you instructions how to do the exercise. So you can turn on these functions and such as the music. You can indicate the volume of the music and voice guide by using this scale. Here you can see the exercise itself. You can proceed. You can check out the written instructions as well, and you can watch a video about it too on YouTube.
Welcome to the 100 jumping jack.
So if you tap on this camera icon, it means that you can select the video option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.